Hey guys, welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 345, reverse vowels of a string. This is an easy level difficulty Leetcode problem. And we're told that we're given a string of S and we're told we need to reverse all of the vowels in the string and return it. And we're told that the vowels are A, E, I, O, and U as they are in the English language, and they can appear in both lower and uppercases more than once in our string. So here's an example. We've got ice cream and we return ace crime is how you would say it. But basically what we're doing is we are finding all these vowels. For example, we can see I and A, and here we change them. We have the E's, but they are changed, but it looks exactly the same. So you can see we reverse the vowels such that ice cream goes from this to what's over here as the output. So how can we solve this problem? Well, the most optimal way of solving this problem is by, let's think about it intuitively. So it's starting at either side, so having 2 pointers and starting at either side of our string and then comparing each character. And if they're both vowels, then we swap them. If they're not, then we want to, well, we have our 2 pointers, so where do we want to move our pointers? We want to move our pointers in, but we only want to move the pointer that's not a vowel. So if it's not a vowel, we want to move it. If it is a vowel, we want to keep that pointer there so that the next time we come across a vowel, we can then swap them. So we don't want to lose track of the vowel that we are at. So let's hop straight into coding this problem and it will make a tad bit more sense. So the first thing we want to do is say, let's get a list of vowels so we can actually check if our character is a vowel. And the most optimal way we're going to do this is by using a set so that we can have constant time referencing. So we're going to say A, E, I, O, U, and then A, E, I, O, U, because we want them to be capitalized as well. The next thing we're going to do is convert our string into a list. And this is just so that we can work with it more easier and manipulate this list more easily. Then our right pointer is going to be equal to the length of the string minus 1. And then we want to say while the left pointer is less than the right pointer. So while we have left pointer is less than the right pointer, we want to say if both characters on either end of our string are vowels, then we can swap them. So if SL is in vowels and SR is in vowels. Okay, so now we've found our characters which are both vowels, and now we can swap them. SL, SR is going to be equal to SL, SR. So we've now swapped these characters around, and we can increment our left pointer and decrement our right pointer. Boom. Okay. What happens if only the left character is a vowel though? Well, what we want to do is we want to keep that left pointer where it is and only, like we said, decrement the right pointer. So we're going to say if SL is in vowels, so if the character at the left pointer is in our vowel set and we know it's a vowel, we can say let's decrement our right pointer. Otherwise, we just want to increment our left pointer. So we know that in this case, right is a vowel, the character at the right pointer is a vowel, so we want to increment our left pointer. And what do we return once we've got our reversed string? Well, we need to return a string. So we've manipulated this, we've converted this into a list, and now we've done our manipulations. We want to then say return, and then let's join it together with just empty strings, join S. And that should not be return, but that should be return. So let's submit our code now. Let's check that everything works as it should. And we actually have the wrong answer. Why we have the wrong answer? Let's go through it. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. SL isn't vowels. SL isn't vowels. Okay. So this is real time, guys. I'm looking through this problem. Okay, here is a problem over here. So we are swapping them. We're not swapping them at all because we're just setting them in place as they are. So we want to actually swap these vowels as opposed to keeping them in place. And there we go. We passed all 480 test cases. So that was a bit of debugging there in real time, but we managed to solve this problem. Again, this is an easy level problem, so I probably should not have made that mistake, but it happens to the best of us. So in terms of time complexity, guys, we are converting the string into a list, first of all. So that's going to be O of n time, and actually it's going to be O of n space. That was my bad. And time complexity, we are just doing a linear pass, so that's going to be O of n time as well. So it's going to be O of n for both time and space complexity for this solution. With that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.